Hello guys, welcome to another video on Java for Beginners. In this video, we're going to be talking about the constructors with parameters. So, just as we learned methods and the methods with parameters, like parameters are the arguments or data that you pass into method so that it can use that data and manipulate it or use it for performing any kind of operations or whatever. And as you know, what are methods and parameters? Similarly, constructors can have parameters as well. So you also know that constructors are similar to methods except for the return type, but constructors are similar to methods in terms of parameters as well. So similar to how we pass parameters into methods, we can use parameters inside constructors as well, so that you can whenever you create an object for the particular class, then you can pass in these parameters inside the constructor to assign different values, different initial values for the member variables for that particular instance. So I'll quickly tell you how we can use parameters within constructors. You can say string color. So normally we define the parameters inside the parenthesis of a function, and we say size. So again, function and methods are same. Then we can say this dot color equals color. So remember the use of this keyword from the previous video. I don't know which video is that. So if you don't understand what's going on in this video, then go ahead and check out the video in which I have explained about the this keyword, and then come back to this video and then check out, try to understand what's going on here. So here we have defined a constructor with parameters color and size. We have used this keyword for reducing namespace collisions. And then again, it's time for us to use the constructor with parameters. So here, when we create the object myShared, we use new shared. We write the constructor invoking our constructor call, you can say. And within the parameters of the constructor, we need to pass the variables, the values for the parameters. So you can just simply define a string and an integer variable having the values for color and size, and you can simply pass the variables, or you can simply directly use the data, or simply pass the values for the arguments color and size. And you can pass 5 right here, and you can just simply print that out, check it, and you can say myShared dot color, myShared dot size. So there you go. You have used the values red and phi to initialize the values for the member variables color and size. Let's go ahead and quickly check that out. Alright, and yeah, there you go, it gives that red and phi. And similarly, you can also pass whatever the values you want, and that will be copied to the arguments, the parameters color and size. Then it will be assigned to the instance variables. You can also just leave these empty. That is particularly the call to the default constructor, as I said in the last video, but it says that you always need to have a constructor, default constructor. So and that becomes constructor overloading again, and we'll talk about constructor overloading in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, thanks again for watching, see you guys in the next video.